Hey everyone, and welcome back to Success Zone. Today we're going to be talking about how to earn free Bitcoin every 20 minutes. Make sure you stay until number one so you don't miss out on how to earn Bitcoin fast. You will be absolutely shocked. Number one, create your Bitcoin wallet. Bitcoin needs to be put in one place, just like real money. That is where Bitcoin wallets come in handy. With a Bitcoin wallet, you can store your crypto earnings easily, and most of these are free to set up. You can find great websites such as Coinbase and Blockchain for free Bitcoin wallets. You can also visit the Bitcoin website and fill out a survey where you will find an online wallet that is best for you. Once you find one that is suited for you, sign up to that website. Enter in the credentials that it requires from you, and you should be set. Normally, these websites will allow you to invest and trade, but for these purposes, you won't have to spend a single penny in order to get in on the Bitcoin game. So once you've set up your online Bitcoin wallet, it's time to move on to the next step. Number two, enter the Cointoply platform. Okay, so now you have created your Bitcoin wallet. Now it is time to start earning some Bitcoin. It can be an exciting journey, but you will need to make sure that you do pay close attention to all of these steps in order to do it correctly and maximize your earnings. So let's get to it. The first website you need to visit is called Cointoply. Head on over there and check out their homepage. You will see that the website has paid over $700,000 in Bitcoin to its users so far. So now it is your turn to join in on the earnings. If you would like to explore their homepage a bit more, you can see that they explain their process more in depth. But how does it work? Well, you'll need to sign up, then complete a few tasks, watch some videos, do some surveys, and some other small things. Then you can earn some Bitcoin. You can also see that this website has other features such as a loyalty bonus. With this loyalty bonus, you can boost your earnings just by logging into the website every day. They can raise it up to 100% so you can double your earnings. They also have fast payments so you won't need to wait long to get your rewards. This is a great feature because many other similar websites will make you wait until the end of the month in order to get your hard-earned payment. You can also check out their referral program, which will pay you 25% just for referring a friend and having them join the website. That's huge. With all of these features, you can really boost what you will already be earning. To start, you will have to enter your email address into the box. Make sure you enter a valid email address or else this will not work. Once you have entered that, click on the Start Earning Now button. The great thing is that this website has an app. You can download it on any device you'd like and then start earning Bitcoin. So try it out and then move on to this next great website. Number three, access the Feature Points platform. Another excellent way to earn more Bitcoin is this. Head on over to the Feature Points website and check it out. Right away, you can see that this application is available for both iOS and Android users. Whichever operating system you are using, you will be able to earn Bitcoin in the most simplest ways possible. Scrolling down on their homepage, you can see what you will be doing with this. Much like the other website, you will be completing surveys and other small tasks in order to earn rewards, which in turn can be cashed out into Bitcoin and go directly into your online Bitcoin wallet. This website has its own unique feature though. If you look at the homepage, you can see that they have a section called Earn Cash Back. This means that if you shop at one of their sponsors, such as Gap, Walmart, GameStop, Sephora, Macy's, or many other shops on their list, you will earn cash back through their application. This works because stores pay feature points for directing customers to their store, and they share that commission with you. You can earn hundreds of dollars from this program, and looking at the tasks, you can see that they are very simple. The app will ask you to just download some certain free apps on your mobile device, and you can earn rewards with that. You need to hit a certain amount of points before you can redeem them, but once you do hit it, you can withdraw them in many different ways. You can cash out through PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, or the reason why you're watching this video, through Bitcoin. That's right, you can earn Bitcoin with this app just by doing the simplest of tasks. No hard work is needed. Since Bitcoin is at a high point right now, it is a good idea to start using apps like these to mine them. Additionally, this app has a huge referral program. If you refer your friend to this app and they sign up and start earning themselves, you can get up to 50% of what they get, and you earn that for life. Now, this is an amazing way to boost what you will already be earning, so refer as many friends as you can, as this is an automatic passive income. Check out the application's rating. It's a 4.5 out of 5 stars in the App Store, so they are highly trusted and loved by many of its users. You can check the App Store and Google Play Store to see the full reviews for yourself. Now, of course, your results are determined by how much time you invest in the app. If you take it seriously though, you will make some serious Bitcoin. So try it out as it's totally free. Now let's look at another website. Number 4, try out the TimeBucks platform. Another fabulous platform that will earn you a lot of Bitcoin is TimeBucks. Search it up and click on their website. You will be led to their homepage, and from there you can see what they are all about. Unlike other websites, this is not available as a mobile app. Instead, it is simply a website that you can visit. You will need to connect to it on your computer. Now that may seem like a drawback to you, but once you see all the different tasks that you can do in order to earn, you will see why this website is definitely worth it. As you can see, you can complete surveys, try out some sweepstakes, check out different content, and much more. This website may even seem like fun to you. So what will you want to do is create your very own account on this website and then look at the top tab of the page and click on the Earn button. This will display other subsections that you can click on in order to start earning through this site. You can discover for yourself which method and task work best for you. When the time comes for you to withdraw your money, go over to the Settings button and click on that. Then select Payment Method. You will see a drop-down menu with a few options that you can select from. As you can see, there are many different payment options, but for today's purpose, you will select Bitcoin. It will then ask you to input your Bitcoin wallet address. Head on over to your online Bitcoin wallet and look for your Bitcoin wallet address. This should look like a bunch of random numbers and letters in both uppercase and lowercase. Copy that and then paste it into the TimeBucks website's box. Once you've done that, click on Update Payment Method. Now that is another great way to earn, so let's take a look at yet another great website. Number 5, check out the Latium website. But maybe you just want one more website to gain even more Bitcoin. Hey, we got you covered. Head on over to the Latium website and see how you can get free Bitcoin. When you go to the website, you may be confused as it is actually a freelancing website, but we will be looking at how to use this site without needing any certain skills. This website is different than other freelancing sites because it pays you in Bitcoin. So here's what you can do. Go to the How It Works section and select the Work as a Freelancer button. You will now be led to a page where you can see a long list of available projects, and there are many payment methods and Bitcoin is one of them. You can use the filters to narrow the projects down to payment by Bitcoin. You can try to do a task if you have the skill for it, but if you do not have any of these skills, you can go over to the survey section. There you can see that there are many different surveys that you can fill out and earn Bitcoin from. That's it, and it is really simple. So try out this method and watch your earnings skyrocket. While you are here, go ahead and click on one of these other videos on your screen, and we'll see you there.